Greetings, 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 and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. You ever wonder if God will give you extra time to bear the fruit when put you for bear? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with everybody you know. And if you don't do it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 13 from verse 6 to verse 9. Then Jesus tell them that area. One man have one prangana tree planted in a garden, and in Goffe see a fruit upon it, but he no find none. So he said to him gardener, say, for 3 years now, me a come look for prangana panda tree here, and no find none. Chop it down. What make it for a waste good dot? Sir, the man say, left it for 1 more year, and me will dig round it and put manure there. It might a bear next year. If it no bear, then you can chop it down. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.